Good evening, everyone. I want to talk about something of utter importance, something that has been bothering me for some time, and I take the liberty of sharing my concerns with you. As you are aware that during the earliest time around 1970s, gliding was an unaltered decision before anyone wanted to pursue flying and work as a pilot. Around 20-25 gliding centers in India were available across the country. Soaring was not an option but a choice. It goes without saying that a pilot flying an engine plane was already a glider flyer. It improves the skill of flying for an individual without any power. Acquiring the skill to land the machine is an art beautiful and underestimated. When we don't have power in the plane, we only have attitude manipulation for the speeds. It increases our ability to be more free and confident when we are flying an engine plane. The better understanding of the art of flying improves the quality of handling planes. For example, research shows the miraculous survival of the Hudson River crash was a lot because the Honorable Pilot Captain Sully was an experienced glider pilot. He had the art of gliding. Most of the engine failures lead to fatal accidents because the ability to glide the plane is missing there. Just learning to glide on simulators or say 1-2 sorties during training will not teach you anything about it. Takes patience and time. I personally believe that one who knows to fly a glider and fly any damn machine. I am saying with experience of flying both engine planes and gliders that the innate beauty of soaring is inexplicable, though that is another thing to talk about it. Talking about the scenery of gliding centers today, it acts my heart to see that only 3 gliding centers are active now in the country, and most of them are on the verge of closing down. It is such a pain to see that the new pilots, the fresh one in the industry, have no idea about gliding. The thought of pursuing it does not even cross the minds once. Across the globe, gliding still persists. I have personally been to a few countries in Europe for gliding, and it made me immensely happy that the gliding activity was still in use, still active, still happening, and was dynamic on a huge scale. It's our Indian aviation that is losing the legacy of flying without pass. The sad part is that no one is paying any attention to it. I have been doing my share to give gliding the future that it deserves and the respect and acknowledgement of its beauty that is now lost. I write letters to the DGCA in order to raise the concern and make them act upon it. I want to tell you that even the US Air Force has made gliding mandatory before powered flying. Then why in India is not recognizing this?
या पर ग्लाइडिंग अपने आप में एक अलग
सर
ही
वो
अनुभव
अलग ही
होता है
फ्लाइंग है
उसका
सर
जी
वो
Even in episode of कौन बनेगा करोड़पति यानी KBC, where a fellow student pilot from IGRUA was on the hot seat, even respected Amitabh Bachchan also raised a question that how can people do powered flying without gliding? It is surprising.
तो ये सब आपने अनुभव नहीं किया, हमको बड़ा ताज्जुब हो रहा है। सीधा आप चले गए उसमें जहाज में।
सर यही है सर, मैं बोलूंगा सर ग्लाइडिंग वाला भी करें हम।
हाँ,
सर मन तो बहुत है सर मेरा भी करने का।
बहुत मजा आता है, एकदम शांत, अच्छा रहता है।
बिल्कुल।
I request everyone now watching this video to share this video on a huge scale and enlighten people about the lost legacy of Indian gliding. I want to draw the attention of official concerns, airlines operators and government concerns to look into it. Take this message on national level and not let gliding die. The day I see gliding back in the country will be the day I finally find myself and my soul of peace. Hope to see a change in gliding industry after this message. Thank you. Jai Hind.